All right, good morning, guys. I know I said I might take today off, but then I realized something. I have these accounts plus more I could take a payout from. I could get to 65,000 on the month regardless. Even though I traded like crap last week and a half. So I'm going to try to maximize the month. And if I have a bad next 2 days, then I'll take off a couple days off next week. All right. So we had a pretty big move up pre-market. Double top. The opening trade was super easy. So that was good. Really need to get my Bull Knox accounts to like at least 7 of them. Oh, check camera. Thank you. I can't wait to redo my trading setup. I need 4 monitors. 1 monitor so I could have a stream open so I could see what's going on. 1 monitor to have a browser open so I could, if I want to show something on the browser, I could just, instead of dragging it here, I could just, you know, click a button and then have 2 screens for trading. But just haven't had time. So I want to redo the whole thing, rewire everything, do 2 cameras. All right, well, I was expecting to be long biased this morning. Let's see what we got. Should I activate 2 accounts really quickly? Maybe at least activate 1. It's Quant Tower. It's in the, if you read, if it's your first day, just wait and read all of that stuff that's gonna pop up. And welcome to the stream. Wow, what a sell-off. I was not expecting that. Dante, maybe, definitely not the 250Ks. 250K is by far too hard for me to pass. There's, to pass the 250K, you gotta actually trade it like a real account with massive size. I'm gonna try to add a couple 250Ks to the copy trader, and we're gonna trade it with 10 times the size. So it's gonna take 10 contracts. Let me see what happens. Let's see, am I on the right account? Yes, I am. before people freak out. Oh, it says you're pending for July. People freak out about everything. People don't read anything. I learned that I gotta be careful with everything I show, because last time someone made a fuss about this, because this is something you just type in on your own, and I'm terrible at updating it. And this keeps coming back when Rhythmic resets because it's saved and like I haven't updated it. All right, you could type in whatever you want. What a sell-off though, Jesus. Almost had a trap here, but very volatile last few days. It's definitely what's making trading much more difficult for me. But at the same time, if you just time the entry right. Yeah, ORB worked really well. Gonna be a nice juicy $10,000 payout tomorrow from Bullnox. I believe we have Netflix earnings tonight. I don't know, that's gonna move a lot though. I could. Jorge, it's 10 days. If you traded for 10 days by tomorrow, you could get a payout. I activated a account, so to log back in. I have one more to activate. I passed 2 yesterday. Not a good idea to activate your accounts mid-trading. Oh wait, I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 13. I don't think it's... I don't think it's gonna be 65. I think it could be 60, like 3,000. Depends how I do on Top Step. And just change that in the title. How you guys doing this morning? Any trades? Anyone here request more than 10K for a payout this payout window? Short CL. Let's see what we got going on CL. Oh, very nice job. See who breaks the lows. RTY has not RTY. I think YM has been pretty violent. Tempted to go long here, but at the same time, yeah, we're gonna take a stab at that. Maybe. The reason why I'm not playing this as a trap to the short side is because it didn't make a new low. If it made a new low, then I would be looking for a trap short here. But it could still trap short, but that's just not my play. Nope. Maybe. No. Still struggling finding like that breakout setup, because every time I go short, it pulls back, and if I go long, it comes back. So it's just, I'm just having a very hard time getting follow through on my entries. So what I think the adjustment should be buy the dip, right? So if I'm anticipating, I have to anticipate instead of react. I think that's what I need to do, because stop's gonna protect me regardless. So might as well just react and buy the dip, right? Like now we made a higher high here. So now it could trap down here. But at the same time, I'm explaining probably too much for my own good. I should probably just focus on trading like I used to without explaining much. I think that's better. I'm assuming a lot of people are still short biased today. I think the 150K is the best, but that's only if you could pass it. 50K is the easiest to pass, and it's a good account. 150K is the best account overall if you could pass them, especially now for the price. RTY is making new highs. Yeah, short's the easy play, but it's just so hard to find the entry for shorts for me. That's what's been frustrating. I can't find a clear entry on the short, and every time I enter, it just stops me out. Let's see if it traps here. Okay, it could be what I look for. See, if I anticipate this, then I'm already up so much more. That's already the trade, right? Versus if I get in here, who knows how the hell it's going to play out. But we're going to find out. Okay, that was the trap that I should have waited for. I don't know why I didn't wait for that. So we got the higher high, break of the low. So exactly what I need to wait for, and I just didn't wait. The long can be trapped, but I don't see a trap here yet. Now we have, I mean, traps could work both ways. And it's a downtrending movement, but we had a pretty big run up and we're at support, right? So it's like, it could go either way. But now, since we made a lower low, this could be a trap zone. Especially if we chop. If it's a choppy market, this could easily trap. Because that's what it did yesterday. Yesterday, I just chopped both directions. I don't know. It's been definitely tough. Oh yeah, that's exactly what a trap is. It just, I found something that I see often, and the problem is like I kind of switched over to trading the traps instead of trading everything. I used to trade in June. I traded a lot, not just the traps. I found the traps in June, but I used to trade like breakouts and reversals and different things that, you know, the channel tests. I didn't just trade the traps. Did that break? That didn't break. My concern is that we are at the lows. It's finding some support here. But if it breaks out here, fails, I'll go short. I don't like double bottoms because they don't hold all the time. But but it's a good confirmation. But like just to go off the double bottom, I don't prefer not to do it. But yeah, if you look like on an hourly chart, definitely a lot of support there. So yeah, Darren, I agree. Okay. See if that trapped. Usually I wait for the candle to close. I kind of trying to anticipate it now. No, it's gonna hold. No. Come on, baby. Give me this win, I could call it a day. There we go. At least it's break even now. All right, boys. At least we're done for the day. Nice and smooth day. I had to anticipate that a little bit. So that was good. I have the hourly and the 1 minute mainly, but I'll check the 5 minutes sometimes. It depends if like sometimes I'll have the 5 minute chart open, but then I don't have the NQ open, right? So I'll go, where the hell is my thing? Like this is RTY, but sometimes I have the NQ on here, right? So then I just have the 5 minute, but sometimes I just check the 5 minute manually. The hourly, I think, gives you a good idea of where you are on the chart. Right? Like the hourly gives you an idea that there's support, but there's also downtrend. Trade 99, how are you, baby? You doing good? Did you wake up on the wrong side of the bed today, or what happened? Talk to us. We're here for you. We are here for you. Did you get better at math, or do you still suck at math? Just asking. Because I remember him saying that when I was at 150K in payouts, he was like, 150K in payouts, 140K in fees. Yeah. Good job doing math, buddy. I'm just playing at this point. I'm done for the day, so definitely not touching anything else. This is exactly how trading I want it to be. Easy. Oh, where am I? Yeah, I'm done for the day because that's way too easy of a day, and then I'm gonna request payouts from all these accounts. The only thing would be nice if I could trade this account. Oh, my payout went under review. Just noticed. Do I know why Apex can't connect to Quant Tower? You might have to update your Quant Tower. How can you not request a payout? We have issues with the browser or something? Oh, the site has issues. How do I do the calculation to know if I have done a trading day over 30% rule? Ronnie, so you would go to your PA charts in the dashboard, right? And then I'm assuming you don't have as many accounts as I do. So let's go to, let's say, this account. And then you could see all your days here, right? And then the biggest day you have, you just got to multiply by or divide it by 0.3. You can multiply by 3.33 or divide it by 0.3. And that will give you a value of how much you will need in the account to be able to request the payout and be under 30%. The other way to do it is take the value in your account that you currently have. So you take this number, you time it by 0.3 and you'll get a number, right? So like this account is now, it's bigger now because, wait, where is that account? 184. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Which account is this? Is it this one? Oh, it's this one. Oh, that's a 250K account. I didn't realize that. But let's say this was a 50K account. So you just take 3760 times 0.3 and it gives me 1128. So as long as my day here is not bigger than 1128 at any days, I could request a payout, no problem. If it's over that, it depends how many days you've traded. If you trade for 20 days, you're more likely to get approved even if you're over 30% a little bit. Versus if you trade for 8 days and then you flip for 2 days and you're at $2,600 in profit and then you're at over 30%, you're gonna get denied because then you're just playing the game to do the minimum you need to get to payout. Versus if you have a lot more profit, then they're a little bit more lenient with that, from what I've seen. 10K payout approved last night. Let's go. That's awesome. Yeah, polarity got me back into futures, so I'm thankful for that. All right, there's always actually I was supposed to put a date in the Can we get those likes going, guys? Hit some likes on the stream, please. How many funded accounts do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Plus I could activate one more. That's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 2 Top Step, 4 Bull Knocks, 11 Apex. With Bull Knocks, I'm waiting to make $200 more, and I'll activate this one. It's gonna be a 25K account. With Bull Knocks, I'm gonna be requesting all this profit. I'm just gonna leave $2,600 in this account. So no payouts this time from Apex. What do you mean? I requested 2,000, and I'll be requesting 9,000 more. Basically, this is a 100. Yeah, it's 2,750. So I'll request 8,750 more. So I'll request pretty much 11,000 from Apex for month of July if I have a green day tomorrow, and then that'll give me $41,000 on the month from Apex. I don't want to do it yet. I need one more green day tomorrow. I want to get one more green day tomorrow, so I have more cushion. I probably won't get approved yet, but we'll do it tomorrow on stream. If I'm green, that is. Looks like another Porsche on the way. No. Nope. Track days are gonna be expensive. Gotta save the money. Do I stop trading the PA account once it's approved, or until it's approved? No. I am typically trading them. Now, the way I've been trading lately, last few days, maybe I will wait. Horse, yeah, you could go with Top Step, but you're not gonna make any more money, so you might as well trade with both. I mean, yeah, but you'll be able to request it hopefully tomorrow. And if not, you'll be able to request it in August. I mean, it's gonna suck to wait, but still make money. Still can make more money by end of the year than you could do with 3 accounts or 5 accounts, right? So I always keep a positive outlook on things. I mean, you don't have to use Apex. I mean, no one is no one is forced to use any prop firm, so we could use all of them. I'm eyeing either take profit trader or fast track trading as my next addition. That's why I love Quant Tower. I could trade. The only thing that sucks is with Top Step, I have Top Step X accounts. Because the Rhythmic one I lost. Yeah, there's apparently some people having issues requesting payouts. But there's a bunch of people that already requested too, so I don't know what... I wonder what the deal is. Razi, very nice. It's always an option. It's always an option to go trade on your own account. That's why I'm not worried. That's why I'm not worried about the future as to what's gonna happen with prop firms and all the drama, all the FUD, all this stuff that's going on social media. I don't care about any of it. I live in the now. What happens in the future, I'll adapt to that. The more money we make now, the easier it is to either, if not trading, you can start another business. Or at least you make some money in the meantime. Yeah, Razi, I mean, you don't have to have 50K in your account either, right? You could have, if you're trading 1 to 2 lots, you could have $4,000 in your account. And then if you lose the account, at least you didn't lose the whole account, and you can't revenge trade the same day, right? You're gonna have to fund the account again, and then you're gonna cool off by the time it gets funded. So that's also a way to do it. So instead of putting 50K into an account, you could put 4 grand in, trade with 1 or 2 lots. If you lose that account, at least you have time to cool off by the time you put more money in. In stocks, when I used to trade a 50K account, I never lost more than 10 grand in a day, but there was days where could have happened. For me, I don't really care to trade live because I don't make a lot. Like, there's no way I could make 30 grand a month trading live right now. I could probably maybe make 10. Yeah, I mean that's still really good. I mean, if you don't make any money and then you end up making 12 grand, that's a lot of money, right? For me, just a year ago, that would have been a lot. Just set up 20 real accounts and there's no difference in that. It's still gonna cost you the same amount of money. And I don't think CME would allow that. Just always remind yourself what you make at your job, right? Or what people make on average at their jobs. I used to do that in trading when I used to make like 3 grand in the, let's say I was up 3-4 grand in a week, and then on Friday I would give it back. And I'm like, what am I doing? Like, there's people that work for, you know, $1,000 to $1,500 a week full time with decent jobs, and then I'm not happy with 3-4 grand. Like, so sad. Razi, yeah. I mean, for me, when I traded live, I only took out money once a month or so. Yeah, it's very like effortless, if you want to call it that. It's a very effortless job. It's stressful, but if like today, like I don't feel as satisfied, right? I only took 3 trades. I'm done by 10 o'clock. I feel like it's not, the day's not done, but I have to be done. There's just no way in hell I'm giving any of this profit back after the last couple days. Green machine, yeah, $50 a day is a lot on 20 PAs, but to get to the payout is gonna take forever. So that's the only thing, is how do you get to that first payout with making $50 a day? $50 a day would take you 60 days to get to the payouts. To not make a single mistake in 60 days is very hard. So yesterday I lost an account that was at day number 99. I almost made it to a account with 100 trading days. Yeah, $200 a day is what I aim for on my opening range trade. Sometimes I would have bigger days though. Close your charts and leave. Yes, I'll be leaving shortly. Thomas, I already got it banned on Apex. I don't want to get it banned everywhere else, so I'm not going to explain it. I've explained it many, many times. It's definitely been way trickier lately. It takes adjustment, so it's not even relative, but it's a breakout trade from the open, right? If this is the opening range, you're going to take a short here or you're going to take a long here. That's all it is. $200 a day across several accounts keeps the 9 to 5 away. Not for me, but for a lot of people. I think not having a job and trading is very difficult. Anyone that does that, I give them props. Full-time Apex trader. How much have you taken out? And what are you gonna do when you're capped? Can we find you A11 on the payouts list? So also, I need to start posting more videos because it's like I've been doing pretty bad lately, right? Last week and a half. So people are gonna be like, how is he getting payouts when he trades so bad? And I mean, I guess I shouldn't even waste my time with that because, but at the same time, there's people that don't know how prop firms work. Most of the payouts from early July are from June trading, right? And then the payouts now that I'm requesting are gonna be from the early July. It's not from last week, it's from the early July trading. So it's not like, and I've been green most of the days. Like yesterday I blew 5 accounts, but I was green on the rest of the accounts. So it's like, but I've read some things. It's like, oh, that was like a long time ago. About my April. So April I made 81,000, and no, Apex is not 90% off. But I made $81,000, and I lost a bunch of accounts at the end of April, last day of April, April 30th. I had a huge loss. And people were like, "Oh, I think he's lying about his payouts because he took a big loss on the April 30th." I'm like, Jesus Christ. Like you find time to watch my videos in that much detail, yet you don't even know how payouts work. No, I don't use any bots. I don't think any bots are profitable. Cause sure, yeah, I typically trade one contract on the 50K accounts. But like here I have a lot more cushion, right? So then I scale it up because now this is more like a 150K, 200K account, 250K account. Because I have a lot of drawdown left. What do I mean when you are capped? So at some point Apex is gonna be like, nope, no more. It's who knows when it's gonna change or whatever, but right now it's around $1 million is when they will tell you that you gotta go live. Cats, that is correct. Little Big Bear, yeah. Plus, if you made a bot that makes so much money, you would be just using the bot instead of selling it. But I guess also depends because selling something like that could make you a lot more money quickly versus trading can't make you that much money quickly, right? Like if you sell a product, you grow a channel, and you sell it for 500 bucks. I mean, 1,000 people buy it. That's 500 grand. You're not making 500 grand trading with that bot in a week's time. So it's an easy, but at the same time, I have nothing against products. I mean, people want to buy them, let them buy them. It's like I bought it. I actually got a payout with it though, but then it was just a mess. Oh, can't see my rhythmic. Sorry, it's too high up on my screen. That's why I need a monitor for my stream. Nice sell off. Back to the lows again. How do I let my entry point stay on the chart? You right click, you go to settings, you go to visual trading, and then you turn all of this on. Orders, trades. You can make them a little bit bigger so that you could see them more. You could change the color. I change the color. Usually that will be the color of the candles. Beautiful drop. Now this is how you pass evals. Get this drop. And we're under 19. I mean, under 20,000 again. Big level there. Wow, what a clean move. See, this is how you pass the big evals, but how do you... That's the kind of move you need to pass the big evals is what I'm saying, but how do you get in that big move? How do you, like, avoid this part and you get in this part? Because the trailing drawdown will get you in here. I play one contract on most, unless I have a lot of cushion. Then I play 2 contracts. I wish I could get this account to pay out, but I don't think I have enough time. Yeah, plus consistency wouldn't fit in. I would have to make like more money today and a lot of money tomorrow. Yeah, it's a very good point, TB. It's like if you aim for this move and you wait for it, you're gonna get stopped out so many other times trying to get that move, right? So at the end of the day, did you really make more money? Or did you get so frustrated in the past? Right? So if you get frustrated all the time and then eventually you catch this move, it doesn't even feel good anymore. Which prop firm allows DCA? All of them except Apex. Well, what a move. Okay, we're at the lows of yesterday. Can we break? I think we actually broke it. A tiny bit. Yeah, we broke it by a couple points. Little Big Bear, how much money did you make? 5-minute candle on ES. Oh my goodness. Jesus. No, Little Big Bear, how much money? Money, money, money talks. I like to hear about money, not about targets, because targets give FOMO. Sheesh. What a move. Wow. Just when you think you're chasing here, there's still so much more room to go. It's an eval. Get rid of the targets. No targets needed. A little bit better. We understand that. But how much money did you make on that reversal? Did you make 5 grand? Did you make 10 grand? Did you make 2,000? Did you make 200? I'm just playing with the 250k eval. I really hate 250k evals. Oh, it's gonna stop me out anyway. Big bounce, which is what typically happens. That's why I can't chase these moves. Like every time, like you try to take it here, it's gonna. See. Take care. Have a good one. I'm gonna be out of here shortly too. It's gonna be almost like taking a day off. Even though I didn't take a day off, it's almost gonna be like, be careful, this is an eval. I'm not being careful. I'm done trading for the day, so don't worry about that. This is a 250k eval that renewed. I hate 250k evals. I'm not doing them ever again. So gotta cancel them because they freaking renew on me and I forget to cancel. Let's get to new lows. We'll add some more on the lows here. Up 5,000. Can we get a little bit more? I'm gonna start taking profits here. Be 1/3 way down with this. How much did I make on this damn eval? Halfway to target, guys. Uh-oh. Bounce. Trailing drawdowns getting us. Maybe not. Just gonna take some more off. Reshort them into pops. Two left. All right, all out. I have 6 contracts here, but made half. That's not bad. Could have passed it, but getting it timed properly is so hard, so. Josh, you just asked $1 million question. Well, that was decent. We're gonna add that. I'm gonna add this account to the copy trading with the rest of the accounts for Monday. I mean for tomorrow. I mean, maybe I could pass this, but is there any support anywhere? We could get to 800s, like low 800s, easily. Yeah, exactly. Just one. Let me just do the, because I forgot yesterday again. I gotta send the giveaway money to Luke. Not Luke. Eric. So how to turn off the notification that pops up at the right bottom corner if in Quant Tower. So you're gonna go to the top toolbar in Quant Tower, and then you're gonna have the gear icon where it's settings. Right next to it is gonna be like a little box, like a notification box. You'll see it. It's right next to, it's between your connections and can I move this? See, I can't move it. And then you're gonna go to the settings of that, and then you'll be able to do this. Turn this off. That was a trap. Take some more. Nope, not a trap. Let's abort. Come on, tag me out before we go higher. Trader Bob, really? I don't think so. I'm not talking about this. How much have I made on this eval? $7,800. So I'm halfway to target. And I made 4,180 on the other two. That was copy trading with these accounts, but with 10 contracts. 15. 15,000 is the target. Yeah, oil is still dumping. Good morning. I'm gonna be done streaming here at 11 o'clock, guys. Whoa, what a move. Yep, I'll be on tomorrow. Another short stream, hopefully tomorrow. The Bullnox consistency is 40%, so it works the same as Apex, except it's 40%. Is it a glitch? Oh, no, that's an eval. Scaling in and out. But yeah, that's how many trades I took on an eval. Let me go back to my regular account so that way people don't think I traded like that. And they're just turning in. These are my actual trades. Mm-hmm. All right, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Although I do like this short, so I'm gonna take one more trade. No, I'm on my live account. Oh no, I thought it was an eval. That's not what I wanted. Oh no. I thought I was on an eval, guys. Oh fuck. I was playing the trap here, but oh no. Ruined it. Damn, guys, I ruined it. I'm gonna have to add and pray. I'm gonna do one ad and just pray it comes back to break even. I'm gonna walk away, guys. I can't. That's my mistake. Ah, fuck. Oh, what a mistake. One of the most painful mistakes I've made all year, I think. This is not coming back. This is a huge V-shaped reversal now. Please come back. Nope. So strong. Fuck. Just when I switch to short bias, this is what happens. If you're just tuning in, thought I was in an eval. I was trading in an eval before. And then someone commented, oh, you took that many trades. I switched back to a PA account to show the PA trades. And I was about to walk away and be done. And then I saw something I kind of liked here on the trap. And I took it short early because it was an eval. And instantly went 10, 15 points against me. I mean, I was down 20 points in the blink of an eye. I really need this to break down. But it's not going to. It made a higher high here. It's going to probably find the support there too. The only hope I have is that it breaks with enough force. No, I can't close for a loss because then I don't get payouts. So I'm not, it's either going to be a win or break even or a loss at this point. See, it's gonna trap right there because this is a long trade right now. Oh, I just got out somehow out of some. What just happened? I just heard. How am I short and what the? I don't know what's going on right now. I don't even know what's happening right now, but can't even flatten it, guys. I can't flatten it. Something's going on. Fuck. I can't flatten anything. Fuck me. I don't know what the fuck just happened. Wow. What happened with Rhythmic? Playing with freaking fire lately, guys. Last 2 days. Yesterday was frustration. Today was a mistake. And wow, I was down so much. Why am I not happy? Because it's not my trade. I'm not gonna celebrate something that wasn't supposed to happen. Well, I'll take it. Definitely need the profit now. Jesus Christ. Now I'm definitely going away. Would they count this trade as DCA? Yeah, but it's only added once, and you could add once. You could add once to the trades. But now, actually no, because this is. I wish I had double size in this. I would have been able to Wow, that took a couple years of my life. Let's put it that way. That took a couple years of my life. I haven't been that stressed in a trade in a long time. Like there's being like yesterday, like it wasn't stressful, it was just annoying, right? Yesterday I was like careless. This was a honest mistake after having a really good day, and it's not something. Luckily, I mean, thank God I was in one contract and not in like three, because this was I was thinking this was an eval. How do you open multiple rhythmic? You just open multiple rhythmics. You just open another one and it's gonna open. So when you click on your icon on your desktop for rhythmic, it's gonna open another rhythmic. It's not gonna pop the one that you already have open. Does Bullnox have micro scaling rule? No. So you could, it's same as Apex. So you could trade 10 micros for every mini. But I still don't get why there was an issue with Quant Tower. Make a giveaway, you have to share your luck. We'll do it tomorrow because I'm leaving. I still gotta send the giveaways for yesterday or 2 days ago. I forgot to send them. Cats, because you're running data on Rhythmic. Don't run data on the Rhythmic Trader Pro. When you log in, the second half of the Rhythmic, turn that off. Why wouldn't I get a payout if I close for a loss? Because of the 30% rule. I haven't made that much. A lot of the profit in these accounts is from previous payout window. It's not from the new payout window. So I want to make profits. But making like 2 grand per account is nice. I mean, this account's back to 20,000. The highest point of this account was 171. Can you flip micros in Bullnox? If you're waiting for a payout, there's no point of flipping because the new payout window starts when you get paid with Bullnox. It's not when you request the payout, it's when you get the payout. So the payout window starts on Wednesdays. And imagine I walked away and I never came back. We would have been denied a payout because of consistency again. Would have been up like 20 grand. Wow, what a move. Yeah, you just turn off market data. Turn off the market data. Wow. What an amazing dump. Here I thought it was going to be a V-shaped reversal, panicking. Oh, this clock is behind. Oh, got it. Yeah, it's 11:08. What the fuck? It's going to be 11:09. Ah, that's what it is. Got it. Well, time to get a new app. Thanks for pointing that out. I never even noticed. All right, guys, take care. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Just gonna try to walk away before I make another mistake. All right, thanks for tuning in. I wasn't gonna stream today. I was gonna take a day off. I'm glad I didn't. And the only reason I didn't is because I saw the potential for a lot more payouts. I didn't realize how much more I could get this month, but I still needed some green days. And technically today I had like 2 green days in one because I made a decent amount of profit per account. So we'll see if I'm gonna request the payout tonight or well, I'm not gonna request it tonight. I'm gonna wait till tomorrow's stream to request it. No, I'm not taking tomorrow off, but tomorrow's gonna be another short stream. All right, guys. Take care, and I will talk to everyone tomorrow. We'll do a giveaway tomorrow. And oh, I lost those 2 evals in that trade. I just realized. Bummer. How are the tires holding? Really well. But I haven't driven it that much. I just been super busy, and no drifting. No, it's not a drift car for me. My first track day is August 26th, and I don't know if I'm gonna make it based on the mileage that I have right now. It's gonna be tough to put that many miles on the car in the month. Is this gonna break the lows? At least we're getting less chop today than in the past couple days. Let's see. $30,000 in a month? Jeez. Was that back in like high school? When you just do nothing but drive around? I used to do that in my Civic. Like, you know, we just drive around town, like. I'm not taking more trades. I'm done for today. I'm not touching this damn buy button. Yeah, hang out by a CVS or by like a cool spot in town. Yeah, good old days. Gas was cheap. What a sell-off. What an entry here, guys. So who's buying my course? I'm going to show you guys how to top tick your entries for shorting the bounce. I figured out a way to short the top of the move. Let's see. I was off by like a couple points, but still. It's going to be a good course. All right, guys, take care. And I gotta go drop off a fire extinguisher to a friend. For we do these sparkler things, so we need like a special fire extinguisher. So I borrowed it. So I gotta go drop it off. He needs it today for a wedding. So he just texted me. And I'll see everyone on Friday. Hopefully one more green day, and then the payouts will go through. requesting 10 grand tomorrow. Made 10 grand today. Very happy, but at the same time, made a mistake. All right, guys, take care, and I will see everyone soon. Adios.